Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit the background of your photo using CapCut application. Okay, first of all, we can open our CapCut application on our phone and we can click on photo editor right here, and you're going to select a photo that you want to use for your background, and I'm going to select this photo and click on edit button. Okay, and after that we can import a photo that we want to change the background, and we can tap on sticker and click on this image icon, and you're going to select a photo you would like to change the background. And for example, I'm just going to select this photo, tap on the photo and click on add button. Okay, and here we can click on auto select to remove the background of the photo and click on this check mark. Alright, and now as you can see that the background has been changed, and we're going to adjust the photo like this. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the background of our photo using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.